CapCut Lip Sync. So if you want to use the CapCut Lip Sync feature, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut application. After opening your CapCut, you need to go with Create Project. And then you need to go with Import, which will be on the left side. And from there, you need to just simply go and select a video, any video that you're comfortable with, and then go with Open. Now, from here, you need to go with the plus option. Once you click on plus, you'll get this kind of interface. You need to just simply click on this video. And on the right side, you will have the video section. You need to make sure that you're on the video section. And then you need to just scroll down. And once you scroll down, you will find the lip sync option right here. You need to go and turn on the option for lip sync. But as you can see that you will have a purple diamond on the right side, which means you need to have CapCut Pro to use this feature. Or even if you won't be able to save or download this video because you need to have CapCut Pro. So once you have your CapCut Pro, go and select lip sync, and then it will add your lip sync and you'll be able to download it. That's how you can use CapCut Lip Sync, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.